In this problem, we'll do a division of fractions. We're asked to compute and simplify -3/5 divided by -4/5. Now recall, when we divide fractions, we need to multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction we're dividing by. We're dividing -3/5 by -4/5. So we write the first fraction, or the first number, then we write a multiplication sign, and then we write the reciprocal of -4/5. That will be -5/4. Once we've done this, we can multiply by multiplying numerators and multiplying denominators. Since we have a negative number times a negative number, our result will be positive. Multiplying numerators, we have 3 times 5. Multiplying denominators, we have 5 times 4. Now, since we have a product in the numerator and a product in the denominator, we have factors. We can cancel the common factors of 5. 5 over 5 equals 1. So we can cancel those, and we have 3/4 as the simplified answer.